where we have come from different countries of the world, where we have long-term settled inhabitants, and at the same time newcomers like you, whom we need a lot. Canada is the second largest country in the world, and unfortunately our population is very low, and most of our population are aging population. As a result, we need a lot of people like you. Welcome to Canada, and we are waiting for your service, and we are waiting that you will be a part of the mainstream Canadian society. And I want to say something about myself. I have been involved with this community for decades. Since my arrival in Canada as a skilled immigrant in 2010 with my family, I am involved with this community through immigration, for education, for settlement services to the newcomers, and at the same time, I have raised my 2 children in this community. So I have the experience, I know the problems, I know the ins and outs of this community. I am also involved with the Liberal Party from the very beginning of my landing here. Now I am the elected director of Federal Liberal Riding Association with the highest boards. And I need your support. I feel I can see the problems that the newcomers are facing. I can see the problems of the mother who is waiting and who is struggling to raise her child. I can see the new business owners who are struggling to have their feet, to have their business running in this situation. I can see the education, the broken system of education in our community. I can see the increasing, rising cost of housing. I can see the problems in the hospitals, in the shelters. And that's why I think that this is the time to work for our community. And that's why I'm thinking that I feel a lot for this community, and I think that this is the correct time for me to step ahead, to work together, to work with you. And that's why I need your kind support, and I need a bigger platform. And that's why I'm asking your current support so that I can get the nomination for the upcoming Liberal by-election. This election is not only for me, this election is for you. This election is for the community. This election is for the betterment of the community. And I feel that it is not only my concern, we the people of the Southeast, Scarborough Southwest, we are struggling to have our feet. We are struggling for our rising cost of living. So that's why I am thinking that if you are giving me support, then we can work together. This work is not only for myself. This work is for the whole community. And most importantly, we want to work together with all the community people living in this riding association. You know that Scarborough Southwest is a very vibrant community. We have different people from different linguistic, cultural, and different religious backgrounds as well. And we live harmoniously here. And I want to say that this community, this area, we have the Bluffers Park. We have nice environment. We have nice environment, and we have to work to save this environment. We have to work to make our Bluffers Park more attractive and more safe. And it can be done through the projects that the MPP or MP can do, and we need help from the political leaders. And that's why I need your kind support. If you are supporting me, if you are giving me the platform, that I can get a bigger platform and I can work with you, for you, and for the community. And I want to say something. My goals or aims are very clear. First of all, we need affordable housing. We need better transit. We need better education. We need better environment where our children, where our women are facing no kind of harassment, and they can raise their children and they can get better education and better environment. So my goal is not only my goal. You can see that these goals are all of our goals. We need better life, and we know what are our problems, and we also know what are our positive sides. We have a lot of positive sides. We have a lot of qualities among our newcomers. Some of them are very good workers, skilled workers. We need workers for our construction. We need workers. We need some of the newcomers. They are working hard, especially during the winter. You can see that they are cleaning our snows, and we don't have enough people to do all these things. So these people, we need this. They are our important assets, and as we are here, we are thinking that we can work together to have the better life for everyone here. Not only we have to work together for all. It's not me, it's not you, it's we all, the Scarborough Southeast community, men, women, Hindu, Muslim, Buddhist, Christian, everyone. We are all together, and we are all together in this fight, and we are all together in this procession where we will talk together, we'll work together and make Scarborough Southwest a better place to live, a better place to go ahead, and a better place in Canada. Thank you all, and I don't just need your vote. I need your support. I need your